we got some new guys coming in here at the end of the month. But sometimes you got to come back out and you got to help. But come tomorrow, back on the phones, Dow, back on getting some deals. Today, helping out the guys, making sure that everything works out. We got slammed with a few jobs January, so back on building the business, changing the world. And that's how it is sometimes. You know, sometimes you got to jump and do, if you're in the service business, you know, sometimes you got to go out there and help your team and make sure they know what they're doing, because if you're growing at a fast rate and you got jobs going on all the time, you know, sometimes your guys aren't going to be able to handle it right away. So you got to step up. You got to do what's necessary. And so that's what we do. We do what's necessary. And then when we get done with the project, then we get back to doing what really matters, and that's getting the sales. So if you're stuck in your business still, you're still out here diddling with all this shit, you know, putting bolts in this stuff and fixing your brush heads and, you know, setting up canopies and doing all that stuff, your business is never gonna grow, man, you know? The only reason why I'm out here is because this project is gonna potentially pay us hundreds of thousands of dollars. And it's my job to make sure that the project actually goes smooth. If the project doesn't go smooth, we're not gonna get hundreds of thousands of dollars. And so if you're still out there messing around, doing the same old shit, different day, your business isn't gonna grow. I mean, you know what you need to be doing in your business. You know it's not this. You know, you got employees that can do this. And if you don't have employees, well then, you need to hire some damn employees. And if you don't know how to hire employees, oh, there it is, then you need to figure it out. You need to figure it out, man. Because there's guys out there that are willing to do the work, that are willing to show up, okay, do the labor, okay. I mean, Big Hose, this guy right here, he's a beast. He'll show up every day. He'll get the project done right. He'll do it properly. He won't take breaks. He'll go on his little 30-minute thing to eat his lunch, but he's gonna keep showing up. He's gonna keep doing the project. He's gonna keep getting shit done. And so that's what you need. You need to find your big hose, man. Where's your big hose? You know, get your big hose. If you ain't got a big hose, I'm telling you, man, your business isn't gonna grow. You're gonna be constantly on the field, constantly fixing shit like this. I mean, this ain't paying you. You know, fixing the pole, it ain't paying you, man. You know it's not paying you. But you keep doing it. You keep doing it. So why? Why do you keep doing it? You know? Why do you keep fixing the poles and, you know, scrubbing the windows and setting up the canopies and dropping screws and all this stuff? I'll tell you why you're doing it. You're doing it because you're scared. You're scared to hire somebody. You're scared to pay the salary. You know, the $2,000 a month or whatever it's going to cost you to get the guy out there to do the job. But you know what it really is? It's further than that, than just paying for the $2,000 to get the guy out there to do his job. Is you're not trusting your capabilities. You don't trust your production. You know, until you can trust your production, that if you hire somebody for $2,000 a month and you know you're paying them on a monthly basis. I mean, we got Ian, the camera guy, behind this camera that makes more than $2,000 a month. We got a guy up there making more than $2,000 a month. We got several other guys in the field making over $2,000 a month. We got this guy over here making money. You know, he's just getting his feet wet. I mean, dude, there's money all around me, man. I'm having to spend money for everybody to make sure that this thing moves, this thing's circulating. But why do I do it? Why did I say, hey, you know what? Instead of me fixing this thing and putting it together, I'm gonna trust Big Hose to do it. Instead of me just pointing the camera up and doing it myself, and then spending all day long to edit the footage so I can bring you content and I can make sure that you're getting some sort of value. I'm gonna get me a camera guy that can help my business, right? The reason why I do this is because, man, all that really matters in your business is focusing on more business, focusing on getting more projects, building relationships, right? But you haven't done it yet because you don't trust your production. You just don't. You don't trust that if you spend $2,000 a month or $3,000 a month or whatever it is on the payroll, that you don't trust yourself that you're going to be able to get more money, that you're going to be able to make more money for your business, you're going to be able to get more production, okay?